Hi, this is Tessa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a nail video because these are not looking so hot right now. So what I'm going to be doing is trying out this polygel nail kit. I got this on Amazon. It was $59.99. And what it is just like a polygel nail, so you like sculpt your own nails. Thought it looked pretty fun. It's from a brand called Gershion. It had really good reviews, so I'm pretty excited to try it. It does require a nail lamp as well, and it doesn't come with one, so I just bought this one from Amazon as well. This one was about 35 bucks, and I'll put the links in the description just in case anyone wants to get these products. I'm very excited to see, so keep on watching to find out how it goes. So this is what the kit looks like when you open it. So it has your little polygel nail colors there. It comes with like 6 different colors in this set. This is a little slip solution you use to shape the nail. And then the top coat, base coat, comes with a little bit of glitter and a little tool to decorate the nails as well. These are the little nail tips you can use to form the nails. It does come with the forms, nail forms where you just shape it yourself, these little foil ones. I'll probably try out both just to see which one I like better. And then here are the other 4 colors for the polygel. Don't know what that is. Then it also has a little nail file to shape your nails before you get started, which I already have. And that's pretty much it for the kit. So it comes with this little booklet that has step-by-step instructions on how to do everything. So I'm just going to follow this and then just see how it turns out. So the smallest nail form they have is this one. It's number 6, and that one's too big. So I think I'm gonna have to go with one of these, at least for the pinky nail. So that should be interesting. Okay, so I got the nail form on. So first step just says put the base coat on. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I put the base coat on, and then the next step just says to put the polygel in the mold. I'm going to be sculpting it directly on this nail form, so I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to get the little slip solution ready. I'm just using the top that it came with to put it in there. And then it did come with this little brush too, to dip it in to spread the gel. Let's see what color. I love nude pinks, which is pretty much what all of these colors are. Look here, I think I'm gonna go with this number 2. I'll try this one first, see how that goes. Wow, this is like super thick. Now I see why we need this solution here. Oh, that's a lot better. I think I might have got too much at one time. I wonder if I should try curing it and just see what happens. So it says to cure for 2 minutes. So on the lamp I have like 10-second, 30-second, and 60-second, and then there's like a 99-second one. I'm just gonna do the 60-second time, do it twice and see what happens. Okay, so I cured it for 2 minutes. It doesn't look as bad as I expected. I still have to like file it and shape it the way I want, but so far it's not too bad. Alright, I'll come back when I'm done getting this to the shape I want, and then we'll put the top coat on and see what we're working with. So I kind of just filed it to like a tapered square shape. I think this is as good as this one is going to get for now. I'm going to put the top coat on and see what it looks like once it's completely done. And then I'll go to the next nail. Luckily, the next nail I can just use one of these little clear ones. It'll actually fit on my ring finger. So we'll see how that goes. So that's the top coat. Not bad. Not for the first time. Could be better, but we'll get there. Ooh, that one's a lot better with the little plastic form. It's so smooth. The only thing I don't like is the shape at the base of my nail. It's not really like my natural nail shape, so I'll probably have to file that down a little bit. So satisfying pulling these off. So this is how the nails turned out. I think I did a great job, if I do say so myself. I really love the color. It's like the perfect pink, nude, neutral pink color. It's like one of my favorite tones as far as colors go. I must say they're not the strongest nails. That might be just due to user error since it's my first time ever doing these on my own. But I had a few pop off while I was just doing tasks, like miscellaneous everyday things. I had one pop off while I was eating, one pop off while I was folding laundry, another one popped off while I was freaking out about a moth flying around my house. I'm sure everybody does that, not just me, right? But overall, it's a really good kit. It has quite a few products in it for the price. It was 60 bucks, comes with 6 different colors for the nails. Each tube has a really good amount of product in it, so you can get multiple manicures with just that one tube of each color, depending on like the length and thickness of the nails, of course. I did mine kind of just somewhere in the middle. They're not super long, but they're definitely not short either. And I think they look really good for the first time ever doing nails. I would definitely recommend this, especially if you have any type of experience doing nails. They'll probably turn out even better. But even if it's your first time, this was pretty fun just to try it and see. And it's a lot cheaper than going to a professional, obviously. Aside from the fact that they were falling off, everything else was literally perfect about that kit. And you know, that just might have been on me. That might have been my application skills since it was my first time. But I would definitely recommend the kit. I would recommend the lamp as well. It cured everything perfectly. I didn't have any issues with things still being gel after I cured it. Everything hardened just like it was supposed to. I used just the amount of time the instructions said, and I thought it turned out really well. I did get a few compliments on them already, just at work, and you know, that's not bad for a $60 kit and doing it yourself. It did take me like 2 hours. I was mainly just trying to get the hang of how to do the nails, but I think they came out really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.